up, y'all? It's me, Tara J, back again with another one. And today, it's me coming with another try-on haul. I tend to see that my try-on haul videos kind of get more views than all of my other videos. So I am going to try to do them a little bit more just to build my page up. But this is a whole week late. I know. But before anything, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell below as well to let you know every time I post a video. Don't forget, subscribe, and share. Okay, so back to the video. This video is me giving you the try-on haul that I owed you 7 days ago when I went to the thrift store. So while I go try on my clothes and come back, you have plenty of time to subscribe, and share. Okay, beautiful people, that is it. That was my try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You see how you can come up on a whole bunch of cool things at the thrift store for the low. I think I paid like between $4.99 to $7.99 for like each one of those pieces, and I absolutely adore all of them. I might have to take a few more trips to another thrift store just to see how I can come up, get ready for the fall, because you know, Chicago fall, Chicago winter. It's about to get cold. But anyway, beautiful people, that is me, Tara J. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell below so you can know every time I post a video. I'm out. Peace.